Students, welcome to the third video class on the chapter From Trade to Power. The last class we learned about the Dutch, the English and the French and their main trading centers in India. From the map given in the textbook, we learned about the major trade centers of these European powers. And today we are going to learn about how these European powers fought with each other and how the monopoly of trade came into the hands of English and they slowly began to capture the power of India. So students, let's start with the topic, the competition for the monopoly of trade. The term monopoly means to have full control. Here, monopoly of trade means to have complete control over trade. The European countries competed for monopoly of trade with India. Portuguese and Dutch were defeated at the beginning. English and French were in conflict which lasted till the French was defeated. The series of conflicts between French and the English in South India was known as Carnatic Wars. Here the term conflict means fight, that is the fight between French and the English in South India was known as Carnatic War. The war between French and English happened mainly in Carnatic region, which includes major regions of Tamil Nadu, so these battles were known as Carnatic Wars. In total, there were 3 Carnatic Wars fought between French and English. In the battle, ultimately the French were defeated by English. Thus, the monopoly of trade came in the hands of English East India Company, and after gaining monopoly of trade, the English East India Company tried to get the power of India. The company rule was started in Bengal. That is, the East India Company tried to capture power in Bengal. But why they chose Bengal? Yes, because Bengal provided agricultural prosperity and convenient trade facilities. These features of Bengal prompted the East India Company to capture power in Bengal. The British defeated Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal, in the Battle of Plassey in 1757, and the entire Bengal came under the company rule with its success in the Battle of Buxar in 1764. Thus, we can say that the English East India Company started its rule in India with the success of Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764. The given map shows the British India after the Battle of Buxar in 1764. Students, let's take a review of what we learned today. The competition for the monopoly of trade, that is, the European countries competed with each other for the trade monopoly with India. Portuguese and Dutch were defeated at the beginning, and English and French were in intense conflict, and these series of conflicts between the French and English in South India was known as Carnatic War, and in the third Carnatic War, French was defeated by English. The war happened mainly in the Carnatic region, which includes the major regions of present Tamil Nadu. So these battles were known as Carnatic Wars. After gaining the monopoly of trade, the English East India Company focused on the acquisition of power in India. The company rule in India had its inception in Bengal. Agricultural prosperity and convenient trade facilities prompted the company to capture power in Bengal. The British defeated Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal, in the Battle of Plassey in 1757. The entire Bengal came under the company rule with its success in the Battle of Buxar. The success of Battle of Buxar in 1764 was solely due to the superior British military power. They defeated the combined force of Shah Alam, Sirajuddaulah and Mir Qasim. Thus, with the success of Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar, the British rule was started in India.